Hi everyone, so today is Monday. It is the beginning of week 3. I wanted to give you an update on where we are in our progress. So the plan for this week is to let the electrician and the plumber finish all of their work. So finish the recessed lightings, finish the outlets and or receptacles in each room, hang the ceiling fans and the ceiling lights, and to redo all the switches. So they are going to be finishing that this week. I also am gonna have the plumber redo all of the pipes underneath the bathroom, and then we are going to remove the heaters because they're super old, and then we're gonna have mini splits put in the living room and the dining room. So I just wanted to give you a quick update on that, show you where we are. Still a lot of work to be done. We're gonna be patching all the holes in the walls that the electricians basically cut, and then we're also going to be sanding the walls, pulling all the baseboards, the wall casings, the window casings, and start priming all of that to get that ready for paint. The goal is to have the house ready for paint by the end of the week, so we will see if we can achieve that goal. So I'm just gonna give you a quick walkthrough of everything so you can see where it's at, and then I'll update you guys a little bit later in the week. So keep on watching.
So here you can see they've pulled out the old heater as I requested, and we're gonna start to prep that for drywall.
Hi everyone, so today is the last day of week 3. The electrical, the plumbing is all finished. So I wanted to give you an update of where we currently are in the process, or our progress. So I am not done working today. I still have to take off this popcorn ceiling in the dining room, which I will show you how to do that, but I also just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of the house to show you where it's at right now. Also too, I have just patching up all the walls still right now to get them paint ready, but nonetheless, it's coming together. Still a lot of work to do, but we're a little bit closer, so I will give you a quick walkthrough and let you guys see where we're at. But oh, it's a lot of work, guys, but all worth it.
So in the beginning of the video, you could see a lot of the holes that the electricians had cut in to run the wire. So now you can see by the end of the week, we've been able to patch and drywall a lot of the holes. So we didn't get as far as I wanted. There's still a lot of patching that we have to do, like along the baseboard. We have to patch that. And we also have to sand. So that kind of put us a little behind schedule with the plumbing issues and having to sand everything as well. So probably won't get to sanding until beginning of next week. So here you can see the area in which the heater was. We have drywalled it and mudded it. We demoed the floor, at least half of it, when they were doing the plumbing underneath the toilet. So I had all of the plumbing replaced to ABS. We had to replace the wood underneath it because there was a leak which rotted the wood. So that's why you see that this was cut out. And the floor is half demoed, the toilet is out. I'm gonna throw that toilet away and put a new one. But yeah, it just looks like a disaster in here still. I have the recessed lighting up here, the fan, and I'll get a new medicine cabinet and light fixture later, but this is what it looks like right now. So the dining room is the only room that had this popcorn ceiling, and I absolutely hate popcorn ceilings. So I wanted to remove it myself. So I'm just spraying it down with water to make the material a lot more soft so I could just scrape it off. But I posted a video on my YouTube channel for an how-to to remove this, so you can go ahead and check that out. And I'll also link it in my comments.
All right, so today was Friday, the end of week 3, and it's been a long week. We've done so much work, but it still looks like it needs a lot of work. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on where we are in the process and show you how much progress we have made. So today I finished scraping all of this popcorn ceiling off of the dining room ceiling. As you can see, I wasn't able to finish over here because it's actually drywall and plaster, and then they put the popcorn ceiling material over that, so I wasn't able to scrape that off. I think we're gonna have to mud that and then try and blend it into the rest of the ceiling because I just can't get that off. However, the light switches are in. So you can see all the switches are in. You can see the recessed lighting is in. All the mudding has been done to the walls. We just have to do one more top coat and then go along all of the baseboards so we can put a shorter baseboard than what was in the house. And then the light fixtures in each bedroom are in. So it has the ceiling fan and the light. Pretty cool. So each bedroom has the ceiling fan that I purchased. They're all the same. Each bedroom has that. So you can see the fireplaces are gone. or not the fireplaces, the heaters. And we drywalled those. And lastly, we took all of the window seals off of the windows because come Monday morning, we're getting windows put in the bedrooms. And then lastly, each of the closets have light. So it has been a very long week. I am tired. I feel like I can just fall on my face, but just wanted to give you a quick update, and I will update you on week 4. Have a good one.